Let us solve a numerical problem on Porter governor. Question given: a Porter governor has equal arms, each 250 mm long and pivoted on the axis of rotation. So the two arms, the length of the two arms are equal and it is given 250 mm. Each ball has a mass of 5 kg. So we are having two balls in Porter governor, each carries 5 kg and mass of central load is 15 kg. Central load, the mass of central load is given 15 kg and the radius of rotation of ball is 150 mm when the governor begins to lift. That means minimum height is, we have to find out on the basis of this radius of rotation. Again, 200 mm when the governor is at maximum speed. If it rotates at maximum speed, then the radius of rotation is 200 mm. Find the minimum and maximum speed and range of speed of the governor. So we have to find out minimum speed, maximum speed and range of speed. That means difference between maximum speed and minimum speed. So let us draw. Here we are having two cases, minimum height and maximum height. So let us write down the data given. Here mass of ball is given 5 kg, mass of central load is given 15 kg. Now we have to draw two cases, for minimum speed case and for maximum speed case. Let us draw the minimum position. Minimum speed, minimum speed cases. So let this is the axis of Porter governor. Here ball is there. This is one arm and this is another arm. Both are same. It is given 250 mm, 250 mm. Here weight is acting. And for this radius of rotation is given 150 mm and this is H1. Here we are considering one part, so here we will get half of the mass of the ball, mg by 2. Let this is A, B, this point is C, this point is D. For this case we have to find out N1. So how to find out? So according to Pythagoras theorem, we can find out H1. H1 is nothing but BC. What is BC? Root over of AC square minus AB square. In this right angle triangle, this is hypotenuse. AC square minus base is AB square. So AC is given 250 mm and this is given 150 square. This will come after calculation 200 millimeter. So convert that into meter. So 0.2 meter. So this is for minimum speed. Height of the governor will get 0.2 meter. Then we know H1 is nothing but mass of the ball plus central load mass by mass of the ball into 895 by N1 square. From here we can find out N1. N1 square will be equal to M plus M by small m 895 by H1. We are having the data M, capital M, small m is 5 kg, capital M is 15 kg. So put the value now. 5 plus 15 divided by 5 into 895 by H1. H1 is given 0.2 meter. After simplification, we'll get the value 17900. So what is N1? Root over of 17900. We'll get 133.8. This is in RPM. So this is minimum speed, 133.8 RPM. In a similar way, we'll find out the maximum speed. Let us draw for maximum speed. According to the data given, let this is the spindle axis. This is the arm, 250 mm, 250 mm, and this radius of rotation is now 200. Here weight of the ball is acting, here half of the weight of the ball. This one is nothing but H2. Now we are finding out maximum speed. Let us name it. This is A, this point is B, this is C, this is D. Similar way, according to Pythagoras theorem, we can find out H2. So H2 we can find out root over of 250 square minus 200 square. It will come after calculation 150 mm, that is 0.15 meter. Again we can formulate what is N2 square, m plus m by small m into 895 by H2. Now we can put the value. We know those values. Small m is 5 kg, this is 15 kg, this is 5, into 895 by H2 is 0.15. After calculation, we'll get the value 23867. So what is N2? Root over of this 23867. It will come 154.5 RPM. This is the maximum speed. Now final option to find out range of speed. Range of speed is nothing but difference between maximum speed and minimum speed. We got maximum speed value is 154.5 mm and minimum speed value is 133.8 mm, already calculated. Now after calculation we'll get the value, it is 20.7 RPM. So in this way we can solve this problem. N1 we got 133.8 RPM, N2 we got 154.5 RPM, then range of speed we got 20.7 RPM. It's very simple, only Pythagoras theorem is applied and formula for Porter governor, height of the Porter governor. Thank you.